Good morning, friends. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and its technical level. Yesterday, we have noticed that gold and silver recovered from the lower level sharply on the back of weakness in dollar due to unexpectedly rise in unemployment claims in US. So, for today perspective, we are expecting some bounce back may be seen in gold and silver, or short covering may be seen in gold and silver. Gold has a strong support at 49,300, resistance at 50,500. Silver has a strong support at 57,500, resistance at 61,500. For intraday perspective, we are recommending to buy in gold and silver on the lower levels. Now let's talk about the base metal. Base metal also recovered sharply from the lower levels. Copper has closed by minus 0.09%, but it's recovered from the lower levels. Yesterday it made a low of 511.15 and closed at 517.65. Copper has a strong support at 511, resistance at 524. Zinc also recovered from the lower level yesterday. Zinc closed by 0.08% lower, almost flat. Zinc has a strong support at 186, resistance at 193. Since we have noticed that weakness in dollar, this will impact positive impact on base metal also. So we are expecting a positive trend may continue in base metal. So for intraday perspective, traders can go for buy in base metals. We are recommending buy in base metal, particularly in copper and zinc and nickel. Now let's come on the energy segment. Yesterday we have noticed that energy segment, in particular in crude, increased sharply. Yesterday it's increased by 0.88%, and in international market it's also increased by 1.52%. Currently it is trading around $40.47 per barrel. On the hope of major stimulus package to the US economy, they are expecting the demand of crude oil may increase. So on the back of this comment, we are expecting a positive trend will continue in energy segment, particularly in crude. So trader can go for buy in crude oil for intraday perspective. Crude oil has a strong support at 2870, resistance at 3090. So we are expecting trader can go for buy in crude oil. And similar, natural gas, as expected, natural gas also increased by 7.59% yesterday and closed at 165.90. So the trend of natural gas is still positive. So we are recommending buy in natural gas. Natural gas has a strong support at 158, resistance at 173. The winter season demand supports the natural gas. So trader can go for buy in natural gas for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the currency segment. Yesterday we have noticed that USD INR depreciated by 0.64%. However, the weakness in dollar may support the USD INR. So we are expecting USD INR may appreciate today, as all major Asian currencies are appreciating. So we are expecting appreciation in USD INR. USD INR has a strong support at 73.30, resistance at 74.10. So trader can go for short in dollar, means towards appreciation, and we are expecting USD INR may test 73.20, 73.00 levels very soon. So we hope that you will benefit from this commentary. Thank you.